The biggest mass shooting in American history. The attack in Nevada is reigniting the national debate about gun control in the United States. Democrats overwhelmingly calling for more regulation. Raul Ruiz of California tweeting, "We must come together to address the senseless gun violence plaguing our nation, because if we do nothing, nothing will change." Republicans refusing to enter the debate. Dean Heller of Nevada tweeting, "Praying for all the victims and those impacted by the tragedy." His state has some of the loosest gun laws in the nation. In Nevada, there's no requirement to have a permit to buy, register for a license for many types of guns, or call for a waiting period before purchase. And the shooter's alleged use of a high-caliber automatic weapon was federally permitted. Many Americans are familiar with national loopholes. They are reminded again and again following deadly shootings in Orlando, Florida, Newtown, Connecticut, Charleston, South Carolina, Aurora, Colorado, and more. In the wake of the gun attack in San Bernardino, California in 2015 that left 14 people dead, then President Barack Obama once again called for more gun sale regulation. But President Donald Trump, cozying up to the National Rifle Association to mark his 100th day in office, made it clear that Obama-era appeals for gun control were long over.
The 8-year assault on your Second Amendment freedoms has come to a crashing end.
There was no mention of gun control when the president addressed the nation about the tragedy in Las Vegas. This week, the Republican-controlled Congress will consider another law that's causing controversy, one that would open up the market for gun silencers. This latest attack is likely to fuel a new round of discussion, pitting those who want more restrictions against those calling for more gun freedoms. Tetiana Anderson, TRT World, Washington.